If you're looking for a low maintenance, lightweight hairstyle for the summer, or just in general, any season, something that's 100% human hair, no extensions, then maybe this could be the look for you. I tried out some 100% human hair body wave miracle knots, and I have to say I really liked how it turns out. It gave like bust down, wig, extension, sew in, except it was braids. Best part about this, I didn't have to sit in the chair for hours. I did a hybrid hack that allows you to get the look for a lot faster and probably even cheaper if you know what you're doing. With that said, let's sit down, relax, let's get right to today's video. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was really nervous about getting this hairstyle done because I have natural hair and I wasn't sure how the natural hair was gonna hold up once it starts to revert back. But I'm here to be your guinea pig, so I had to try it out. And I almost relaxed my hair for this hairstyle. But what I did do is try my best to use my blow dryer to straighten out my hair as much as I can, just to make it easier and just for it to look neat in the first try. Now here's everything I used. Of course, feathered crochet hair. I got this from a QVR hair. I used all 6 packs of their body wave 24 inches. Each pack comes with a crochet needle because you do need that. Some jam. Jam is great for helping parting your hair and helping the braids just look nice and neat. Here's some clips, also helping with some parting. Rat tail comb, also with the parting. Now that we have everything that we need, let's get into the braids. So the braids were done by my sister. What I had her do is kind of like a typical miracle knot if you've not heard of it. I had her plait my natural hair down, and halfway through the length of my natural hair, she fed in the crochet hair and braided down and tried her best to tuck my ends into the hair as much as possible, because since it's different texture than my natural hair, we didn't want my ends sticking out at all. This silky texture does kind of like unravel, so we did have to add some nail glue at the ends to keep the hair from unraveling. Pro tip, if you're gonna add nail glue, make sure your braider braids your hair past the natural length, so whenever you're going to cut the hair to take it out, you know where to cut. Guys, it's like literally 5 a.m. almost 6 a.m. in the morning, and we just finished like the first part. It's not because it was hard, and not because this part was the hardest part, because I had her redo it for me. Close the window. But basically I had her redo it because this technique works best with like curly hair if you have natural hair. Because I was debating perming my hair for this technique, but I felt like I just didn't want to do that. I don't want to perm my hair. So what I had her do, basically traditional miracle knots where you braid your hair. So she took my hair, braided it, and then to the end, when she got closer to the ends, she fed in the crochet hair. Basically miracle knots where you braid in the ends. And this texture is so silky, we had to like braid past my actual hair. And then past my hair, she added glue to keep the hair from unraveling. But to hide the ends, the easiest way was, that's why like it looks like that. But it still looks good. I might add boho pieces, like crochet it. That's what we're looking like. Because the bottom, she didn't do that technique. You see like right here in the bottom? I don't know if you can see, but like here in the bottom, the ends are coming out. So that's just that. This technique helps us tuck the ends in. And then for the back, but this is what the back of the head looks like. There's one braid right here. Good thing the only thing that one's gonna cover back here. I don't know if it's gonna cover, y'all. I'm scared. I'm gonna try it. And then we have a couple rows. So while my sister was sleeping, I went ahead and got to work to my half of the job, which was just installing the crochet. And this part is the easiest part, super fast. Honestly, your husband can do it, your man can do it, maybe your dog can do it. You just literally insert the crochet hook and pull out the hair. I'm just doing standard single knots. If you don't know how to use crochet hair, I started off by spacing the hair a lot because I was nervous I wasn't going to have enough hair to cover the head. And I was nervous that the braid pattern would not be good enough to cover up the crochets. But I was nervous for nothing because once I filled everything in and put the hair back, it kind of just blended seamlessly. Here's a back check. You can't see any of the braids, the crochet. Like it looks like one seamless swoop. But I will note, I did have to use every single bit of crochet hair for me to get everything covered up. Like, do not skimp out on this hairstyle. If you run out of hair, sew a track on top. Okay, so braids are done. It's like, I think the next day or 2 days later. I've just been having it tied back to figure out what I want to do with this. But what I want to do is add boho pieces. I feel like it needs volume. So I'm just taking the braids. My sister did take me crochet, but I'm not gonna knot it in my hair because I want to be able to take this out. I'm honestly gonna put it just at the root. If you knot it at the root, like where the braid starts, that's fine. It's gonna be easier to take out. Okay. Like already that like makes the hair look 10 times better. Going to literally where the braid starts, like in my hair, and that's where because this way, whenever you knot it like up here, it's easier to take out, especially with fine hair. It's okay to knot it up top when you're taking out the braid, it'll just come out. But knotting it on the braid when your hair's, it just comes out a hot mess. So what it looks like, adding the boho pieces made such a difference. Now it's like super full in the front. I love it. I chopped the ends. Like literally it looks like a sew-in of braids. Like it looks good. Now let's start styling her. Styling this is gonna be kind of like interesting because normally I'd want to just wet all of this to get like a nice little wave. But I'm just adding some layers right now. Just a little light layerage. I know I love a layer. Not too much though. I want to start with light layers first. Okay, I think this is good enough for now. I'll probably do more, but just to start, see how it looks like. I'm gonna spray mainly just the bottom with water. Try not to get too much on the top. I don't want my hair to get too curled up. That's the issue with this, is the ends. I know my sister tried her best to tuck the ends. They're still probably gonna stick out. And I'll probably have to go in with some like a flat iron to straighten them. So that's why I'm like, probably a better hairstyle for someone with relaxed hair. Or if you, what is it called? Okay, so I'm just brushing it and scrunching up my hands. And then to see if I like my hair, we're gonna get ready and do our makeup, but let me do my edges first. I'm using gummy wax edge control, my favorite. I didn't want my hair to be tightly gripped because I'm really just trying to keep things low tension. So like it's not giving like, oh, fresh, because I didn't want that. I told my sister, like, girl, don't grip too hard on this, okay? So here is the final look after I did my makeup, and I felt like in the moment I wasn't feeling it because it was so different and I'm still getting used to just having braids, and so I didn't like it in the moment. I don't know if you can tell on my face, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, wait, this hair is so cute. Mind you, everyone kept telling me at the pool party I was going to, oh my god, I love your hair, it's so cute, so cute. But I was like, really? I just wasn't seeing it. I was having hair blindness, hair dysmorphia. But I did end up really liking this hairstyle because besides it being super lightweight, it is 100% human hair. So you could do curls with it, crimps with it, like you could style it, and I wish I did that more. But don't worry, I'm gonna redo this hairstyle again, but with different hair, because I feel like this hair, as good as it was, it just, I don't know, it started to tangle up after a while. So I'm gonna definitely try this hairstyle again and not cut it. I think cutting it too took away from the beauty of it. I loved how long it was initially, but I did have to cut it because the length at the bottom was not going to match the crochet hair in the middle. Would you try it out? And if you do, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out, Girl Scouts. Bye.